A single trigonometric ratio fixes two side lengths up to a common scale. Pythagoras completes the triangle, and the definitions give every other ratio. Sine A equals 1/3, so choose opposite k and hypotenuse 3k. Pythagoras gives the adjacent side 2√2k, using the positive root. Every side contains the same positive scale k, so it cancels in each ratio. Rationalizing tangent gives √2/4. Tangent 4/3 makes the legs 4k and 3k. Pythagoras gives 5k, so sine is 4/5 and cosine is 3/5. Reverse tangent, sine, and cosine to get cotangent, cosecant, and secant. Multiplying a ratio by its reciprocal returns 1, which checks the work. The sides 20, 21, and 29 satisfy Pythagoras. Substitution gives the squared sum 1 and the squared difference 41/841. Tangent 1 means the two legs are equal. The hypotenuse is k√2, so sine and cosine are both 1/√2, and twice their product is 1. When OQ minus PQ is 1, write OQ as PQ plus 1 before using Pythagoras. Expanding and cancelling gives PQ 24 and OQ 25. Relative to angle Q, OP is opposite and PQ is adjacent. Sine Q is 7/25 and cosine Q is 24/25. Their squared sum verifies the triangle. Treat secant as hypotenuse over adjacent, complete the triangle, and find the other ratios. Secant 13/12 gives hypotenuse 13k and adjacent 12k. The missing side is 5k, producing the remaining ratios. Draw the right triangle, assign scaled side lengths from the known ratio, use Pythagoras, then read and verify each requested ratio.